There are good scholars who do their research. And then there are great scholars, those who hold themselves with curiosity and criticism, those who push the boundaries of what we know, those who are revolutionary.
I am thrilled as the director of IPR to partner with SESP on this particular event. We both kind of engage in believing and deeply committed to supporting and broadening public discourse about facing the most important pressing problems we have.
And today, I am honored to introduce one of those great scholars, Dr. Ruha Benjamin.
I think there's something really powerful about your book in terms of really asking us about what are the differences between critique and building.
What do we have to grow? What do we have to, again, start with the imagination to think about what do we want to create in the world. And so I think those are some of the basics that make it compelling for me, because it's an invitation for all of us to sort of strengthen that muscle of our collective imagination and to really question those things that we're told are impossible.
Why do we invest in property and not in people? Are one of the beautiful questions that I think you call us to ask.
Partly what I'm questioning in both is the manufacturing of scarcity, both materially, but also in terms of the imagination, like the idea that we can't do certain things. Let's not just shrug and throw up our hands, and say, oh, this is what it is, but what if we approach imagination, and specifically collective imagination, as a kind of muscle and capacity that we can build and develop? We don't need stars, we need a constellation. We need to understand our collective mission and what we should be prioritizing. If your life depends on these systems changing, abolishing them and growing something new, then hope is not something that's kind of like out there, it's something that you need. Baldwin, I can't be a pessimist because I'm alive. Most people don't have the luxury to give up.